to this video clip. You've clicked on here to explore the content of our training videos. I want to talk you through our first one, which is for leg waxing, and it's aimed at already qualified technicians who are wanting to improve and advance their skill set. We're going to be polishing some theory that's potentially not been used for a while, and it's really relevant because I want to start talking you through how to avoid skin traumas such as skin lifting or bruising, and also looking at the cause of hair breakage and enabling your clients to enjoy the longevity of their wax. We're looking at time management as well, so you can integrate a little bit more of a speed waxing element into your leg wax. And just some general hints and tips on technique to make your practice a little bit more enjoyable and that your client can get the best out of it. There's a short quiz at the end that's going to measure your understanding of the course content, and you will receive a certificate of completion once you have completed the quiz.